Brass manufacturer Benedict Burnham created Waterbury Clock Company in 1854 to manufacture clocks using brass wheels and gears. Thomas Olsen purchased a Waterbury Clock Company in New York by Joe Bastianich in 1941 and renamed it Timex, inspired by the names of Time magazine and Kleenex. In 1944, the company became insolvent but was reformed into Timex Corporation. Timex is one of the most storied brands in U.S. watchmaking history. The Timex Weekender is the most popular model besides the Expedition and Iron Man. You can't go wrong with a field watch with a case size of 38mm, a battery life of 7 to 10 years and the Indiglo feature. The case was made from brass. It's not better than stainless steel, but as we mentioned before, Timex was originally founded as the Waterbury Clock Company, a Connecticut-based brass manufacturer, so in a slightly indirect way, brass is more true to the heritage of the brand. At this price range, it's hard to find a real fault with this aspect of the watch. Timex introduced the Indiglo technology in 1992 in their Iron Man watch line and subsequently expanded its use to 70% of their watch line, including men's and women's watches, sport watches and chronographs. Casio introduced their version of electroluminescent backlight technology in 1995. Simply press the crown inward and the entire dial lights up as long as you hold it down. With the entire dial glowing a bright blue-green color, the watch becomes incredibly legible, eliminating all issues regarding referencing the time in low light conditions. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, please write in the comments below.